This is a cloud database engineer. They received information from their manager that the company needs to migrate off their legacy on-prem Oracle database and move to an open database, AlloyDB in cloud, to save some money. AlloyDB is Google's fully managed PostgreSQL compatible database, and our database engineer is hoping to use Duet AI to help them simplify the migration. This will modernize the company's infrastructure and enable them to build generative AI experiences using their data. They are hoping to make quick work of the schema and code conversion process to speed up the migration so they can hit the tight timeline their executives requested. Let's observe this database engineer as they use Duet AI to simplify the task at hand. Earlier in the day, our database engineer kicked off the conversion of the schema by creating a new workspace in Database Migration Service, or DMS. So now they'll open up the app schema to check in on how the conversion is going. They can see that some code was automatically converted by DMS and is showing no issues with green check marks. But it looks like some other instances need some attention, with review recommended under the conversion status. They open up one of the instances to take a closer look. They expand the SQL editor to dig into the code a bit. Our database engineer can see that this is an instance where Duet AI understands the semantics of this Oracle-specific function, sysstate, and is recommending a change for AlloyDB Postgress to local timestamp. However, our database engineer knows that system clock is actually the desired input, so they change it manually to use clock timestamp with an interval of 1 minute. They know that they will have to return to the schema to manually edit the other instances that need review. However, our database engineer is about to be surprised and witness the magic of Duet AI and Database Migration Service. They hit the Save SQL button to complete the manual conversion and receive an amazing pop-up. Duet AI is asking if they want to fix the rest of these issues. Yes, please. After just one manual fix, Duet AI is able to generalize the solution and apply it across similar instances. Our database engineer is stunned and overjoyed. A large application might have thousands of similar statements, which would require manual conversion over a period of months to complete. But with Duet AI, our database engineer is able to do this in minutes. With all the time saved, they can now finally spend more time impersonating a banana. Thanks, Duet AI, for making our database engineer's job radically easier and more efficient. What will you build?